Welcome, today in front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to switch on and switch off screen touches in screen recording. So first we should open the settings application and then tap on the display section. After that, scroll a little bit down and click to screen record. Now here, if you wanna just show your touches in screen records, we should use this switcher. Just to turn it on, click once on the switcher, and if you wanna turn it off, click on the switcher once again. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you should find here the screen record icon. Hold for a while this icon to open the screen recording settings and just use this switcher by the same way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.